the TTARTISAN 50mm F1.2 for the micro four thirds system. Is this the right lens for you? Let's find out this video, should we? Let's go! Now, I've been using this lens right here that's shooting me right now, manual focus only, for about 5 months. So this focal length right here, 50mm, 100mm in full frame term, is a good portrait lens, okay? So this kind of shot right here, headshot, perfect with that, perfect for that. Or you do interview, perfect for that. That's the reason why I want to get that. And also I want to do some kind of product photography. This lens is perfect for that. Now, in this review, I'll share with you my hate and my love for it, okay? Let's start out with the hate first, okay? Let's get out this to the way, okay? I hate it's a manual focus only, okay? Manual focus only, okay? With this lens right here, you have to be very slow with your movement, okay? It's not an automatic autofocus wise. You can miss a lot of shots with this lens, okay? If you are careless, okay? Which I have done many times, okay? So that's the hate, okay? You have to work for it, okay? With this lens, you have to work for it to get the right shot that you want. But if you know how to set up your camera settings, the manual focus is a breeze. Take your time, set up your camera setting first, okay? So you turn on the focus peaking, and also make sure you change your color of your monitor, your screen in your camera to black and white, grayscale. Okay, so when you do your manual focus with the focus peaking, the color will stand out and you will nail the focus all the time. Okay, so that's one bad thing about it. Okay, I have to work for it. Okay, I have to work for it to get the right shot that I want. Also, since it's only manual focus, right? Since it's only like manual focus only, I can't use the Panasonic app to actually use my phone, okay, to control the camera from out here. Right now, the lens that I'm reviewing right now is around 2 meters away from me. 2 meters away from me. So when I try to stop flat, I have to go over to turn it off, or turn the camera on, off, or press record. So that's a disadvantage there, okay? And I'm not sure, okay? You have to go back and forth. Like this shot right here, I have to put something, okay, a coat hanger behind me so I can manually focus it, make sure I get the focus right. The last thing I want to do is, hey, miss the focus, okay? Beautiful image, but out of focus. You don't want to do that, right? With this lens, the thing I hate about it, you have to work for it. So if you can get over that, then I recommend this lens for you, okay? Now let's talk about the positive, what I love about this lens. Now the build quality is tough. Now when I first open it, whoa, feel heavy. You can see the unboxing, link down in the description below. It's a good piece of glass. It's made out of old metal and glass, okay? No plastic, okay? No plastic around. Also, the price. The price right now on B&H, $98 US, okay? Under $99, under 100 bucks. Where else can you play with a good portrait lens for under 100 bucks? Tell me another system that you can play with this kind of lens for this kind of price. Remember, it's an F1.2. Now, if I do a comparison with other lens, the automatic, okay, automatic focus, autofocus, it'll cost you like 3 to 4 times that price. So the closest comparison I can think of right now, on top of my head, is the Olympus 42.5 and the Panasonic 42.5, okay, as well. I think the Olympus is the 45mm, okay, f1.8. The Panasonic is the f1.8, 42.5, so 85mm. So portrait lens kind of like, distance. You're looking around like $300 to $400, depends on where you buy it. This lens is a bargain compared to those kind of lens, okay? But if you go into the really high end, the pro level, you look at $1,000 for a good portrait lens, f1.2. So this lens is a no-brainer, okay? In my opinion, it's a no-brainer for anyone that's shooting micro four thirds. If you are a micro four thirds shooter, please do yourself a favor, grab this on eBay. I got mine from eBay. B&H, if you're in America, B&H is my favorite camera store. I bought a lot from them. If I couldn't find anything here in Australia, I would go to America. But nowadays, because this lens is from China, keep the time, for the postage to arrive. but it will arrive. And when you open it, you'll be really surprised, okay? Trust me on that, okay? If you want to see more like this kind of video, please do subscribe. And I also have a lot of videos about video editing, okay, with LumaFusion. Check my playlist for all the tutorials that I have on my channel. I'll see you next time with another review, and go out there and make some great video and photograph, okay? I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.